We're going to look at problem 10 in section 4.4. So it says an nth degree polynomial p satisfies the following conditions. First of all, p is degree 3. Right? It says negative 3 is a 0 of p. That means x plus 3 is a factor. X minus a negative 3 is a factor. Right? It says 9i is a 0. And there is a theorem that says if you have one complex root, then they come in conjugate pairs. So negative 9i is also a 0 by that theorem. So for 9i to be a 0, x minus 9i is a factor. And for negative 9i to be a 0, x minus a negative 9i, so x plus 9i will be a factor. And this gives us 3 zeros. That's how many we should have. So our polynomial is of the form some constant times, I'm going to do these complex ones first, x plus 9i, x minus 9i, and x plus 3. All right. I'm going to go ahead and multiply these two complex ones and get the i's out of there before I try to plug anything in. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, multiply these, and this gives me, with a FOIL, x squared minus 9ix plus 9ix. And when you multiply conjugate pairs, the outside and inside should cancel. So minus 81i squared. These two should cancel out. And remember, I squared is negative 1. So this gives us plus 81. So these come from x squared plus 81. Right, that takes care of those two. And we have x plus 3. I think I'll go ahead and plug in now. And my third condition said p of negative 1 equals 328. So I'll set 328 equal to this, and I'm going to plug in negative 1 into the two x's and solve for a. So negative 1, but I'm going to square it, plus 81 times negative 1 plus 3. And negative 1 squared is 1. Plus 81 gives us 82. And negative 1 plus 3 gives us 2. Right, this gives us 164. Multiplying those two, 164a equals 328. And now we'll divide on both sides by 164. So a is equal to 2. And now we can go back and get our function. So p of x equals 2, we're putting that in for a, times x squared plus 81 times x plus 3. And you might get away with putting that in the software. If not, you can multiply it. And I'll do the binomials first. So x squared times x is x cubed. X squared times 3 is 3x squared. 81 times x is plus 81x. And 81 times 3 is plus 243. Right, now I'm going to multiply everything by 2. So I get 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus 162x plus 2 times 243 is 486. So that is my polynomial.